Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss how to find out valency. So let's get started. At first, I write an example: sodium hydrogen carbonate. Another name is sodium bicarbonate. At first, I find out valency of sodium. So I have to write X instead of sodium. X plus valency of hydrogen 1, valency of carbonate -2 equals to 0, or X equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 1. That means valency of sodium equals to 1. Now we find out valency of hydrogen. So we have to write X instead of hydrogen. Valency of sodium equals to 1. Then instead of X, instead of hydrogen, I write X plus X. Carbonate, valency of carbonate -2 equals to 0, or X equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 1, positive 1. That means valency of hydrogen equals to positive 1. Now we find out valency of carbon. So we write valency of sodium equals to 1, valency of hydrogen equals to 1. Instead of carbon, we write X, and valency of oxygen -2. Valency of oxygen -2. Here atomic number of oxygen is 3. So valency of oxygen is -2 into 3 equals to -6 equals to 0. Or X equals to 6 -1 1 -2 equals to 4. So valency of carbon equals to 4. Now we find out valency of oxygen. So we can write valency of sodium 1, valency of hydrogen 1, valency of carbon 4. Instead of oxygen, we have to write X. Here is 3 atoms, so we write 3x equals to 0. Or 3x equals to 4, 1, 1, 6, negative 6. X equals to negative 6 upon 3 equals to, therefore x equals to negative 2. So valency of oxygen equals to negative 2. Now we find valency of carbonate. Valency of carbonate. Valency of carbonate. So valency of sodium 1, hydrogen 1, carbonate X equals to 0, or X equals to minus 2. So valency of carbonate is minus 2.